that dreaded time of year again, and I guess you deserve a bit of a revision break. You never know when Welsh might come in handy, so here are 5 Welsh words about exams. Don't worry, there won't be a test afterwards. Now put that Red Bull down and have a look. ARHOLIAD. In Welsh that means exam. If you turn up and you've revised, you should be fine in your ARHOLIAD. POB LWC. In Welsh that means good luck. If you have any friends who may be a bit nervous before going into the exam, wish them POB LWC. Everything will be fine. Cyfrifiannell. That's a calculator to you and me. You could use it if you're in a physics or maths exam, or alternatively, if you're writing an English literature paper on Gothic literature, you could always go, ooh. LLYFRGELL. That's a library to you and me. If you want to go somewhere with a lot of books and repetitive shushing, then a LLYFRGELL is the place for you. 40%. That's the 40% to let you know you passed. Hopefully it doesn't really come to that, but at least you know you've got 40% to fall back onto. Now you've learnt 5 Welsh words to do with exams, so stop procrastinating, get back to your revision, and maybe later look out for more Welsh words videos.